Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review today analyzing AlphaCX, a tool that claims to scale your customer support and improve turnaround time across multiple channels. It's a omni-channel tool where you're gonna integrate all your social media source and in your customer communication source. Then you will be able to interact with your customers in one only channel, which is AlphaCX. It's built in with automations and integrations in a way that you can scale up your customer service in a more intelligent way, so you not need many people tackling around those kind of issues. AlphaCX is an omnichannel communication platform that can scale up your customer support minus the extra workload. So optimize the process to communicate with your customer and drive customer satisfaction. This is the AlphaCX main things. And let's take a look at the deal. You're gonna get all their alpha plan updates, and the difference here will be the number of agents. The license tier 3 is the best cost benefits because you get unlimited agent seats. So if you have a big business, if you're growing, if you need more agents, you're gonna get the license tier 3. The deal is pretty good structured. So tier 1 agents, tier 2 10 agents, and tier 3 unlimited agents. So try to go to tier 3 if you need a tool like that, because the benefit is really good. You get unlimited agents. Let's take a look at the tool. So here is AlphaCX, and you can see the main dashboard. It's pretty easy to add agents. You go here, click on new user, fill the details, and you have a new user on board. On profile settings, you can change your name and surname, etc. You can manage different kind of teams. So you can create teams and divide the agents between two different or more than two teams. You're gonna select a domain. You're gonna have a domain for you, okay? And you can change it here. That will be the domain of your account profile. On automation is where you can, make your workflow optimize it, creating different kind of automations. For instance, when you receive a new request, you can be notified by email or SMS, so you can you can promptly answer your customer request. Those are the automation features. And then you can, for instance, notify a singular agent when you receive a request or an inquiry inside the platform. On conversation settings, you can divide your conversation between categories. You can create new categories and change the categories as well. It's fully customizable. You can also change the conversation stage, the name. You can add different kind of stage, open, in progress, closed. Those are the defaults. So you can customize also when a conversation will auto close. So the distributing them by efficiency. And you can also divide your channels by the source: help desk, email, live chat, etc. As integrations, you can see here that you have WhatsApp by Twilio, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, SMS, email to ticket, and live chat. Okay, so you can create a live chat widget here. You can see how it works. You can change, and adding, change the initial message by your language, and also the short description. Everything is fully customizable. You will add your website here as well, and you can change the color of your chat. And then you just embed. Click on the code, copy the code here, and you can embed the code on your website. So you will receive a live chat. And then you can connect WhatsApp using Twitter. You can connect the Facebook page. Let's connect it for the sake of that review. I have my page connected. Also Instagram. So those are the integrations and the channels that you can work inside the tool. You can customize your notifications. You can create also a knowledge database inside the tool, and you can create articles, okay, with your knowledge base and then share it with your customers. Also, you can receive rates and reviews. Your customer can rate you by 1 to 5 stars, and you can also use NPS. So NPS is included in the deal. So how likely your customer will recommend you? They can recommend you from 0 to 10. As I said, you have also the reports where you're gonna track the conversation status, the total tickets, the assigned ones, the efficiency, everything here. You can select the channels that are gonna track inside your report. Here is the onboard environment where you're gonna see all your channels. So you will be able to see your live chat, your Instagram, your WhatsApp, everything inside that inbox. And also you can see by conversation here on the tickets when someone create a ticket. Overall, I think it's pretty easy to understand the tool. The price is good. If you need an omni-channel for your business and you have a lot of agents, this is the good deal for you. Mainly if you need a lot of agents, because usually those kind of omni-channel deals, they have strict limits related to the number of agents. And now with that one, you can, with the tier 3, have unlimited agents, and if you have a big business, you can put all your agents here and just drive your business, your customer support inside it. So that was the tool of today. I hope you like that review. If you like, please click on the link in the description to get to know more about the tool and help me to keep going. Bye bye.